Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode for Microsoft Excel Basics. Okay, today we're just going to focus on the simple functions. So previously we did sum, average, max and min. So this time we're going to focus on count. Okay, because there are occasions where you just want to count. You don't want to add them all up. You just want to know how many of these uh, boxes are there. All right. So how many boxes are being produced in this case? So very simple and basic one. Oops, select here, press equals and count. It's just a simple count. You can press tab to get it activated, or you can just add a bracket on your own and then select what is the range that you want to count. So we will just want to count how many boxes, how many cells here are filled. So when I let go and I press enter, we can see 20. So you can actually manually count this and you'll be able to get the same answer. But this count only works when all these are a number. So if let's say I add A, B, C, all right, by right it should turn into 21, but it does not because it is only counting the cells that has a number in it. Okay. However, if we go into this case, all right. So if it's just yes and no and so on, if you want to count how many are there, okay, you can. Oops, sorry. You need to start with equal. You can use instead count A. So what happens is that in this range, any box that is not empty, they will count it. Yep, so it's 23. Okay. One last one, we could also count the number of blanks are there that they are there in this range. So what will happen is that it will just add it up together. So we have 9 columns and 4 rows that adds up to 36, which is the same. Okay, so plus this one 36. So you can see the blanks are being counted here as well. All right.